Hi, I'm Bruce Treader. Welcome back to Gotta Eat, Can't Cook, where everything you see here you can do on your own no matter how little cooking experience you have. Right now I'm going to show you how to make what I think is the easiest recipe, but it's also the most versatile, and it's an instant 5-ingredient salad dressing that only requires garlic powder, some ground black pepper, mustard, oil, and vinegar. And as far as versatility, this can go on, of course, salads, but also on pasta, on cooked vegetables, on cooked meats, on just about anything. So let's get started. For ingredient quantities, you'll need 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a half teaspoon of ground black pepper, 3 teaspoons of mustard, 8 ounces of vinegar, and I'm using balsamic vinegar for its robust flavor, and then 8 ounces of olive oil. For equipment, all you need is a 16-ounce jar with a snug-fitting lid and a teaspoon. Alright, now for the action, which is always the most fun. Add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder to a 16-ounce jar. Then add a half teaspoon of freshly ground pepper, 3 teaspoons of mustard, 8 ounces of vinegar, or half the jar full of vinegar, and then 8 ounces, or about 8 ounces of olive oil. You just want to leave enough room at the top of the jar so you can shake the dressing. Then close the jar snugly with the lid. And just make sure the lid is on very tight, just like that. And then give it a good shake for 10 to 15 seconds until it looks about like that. And then let's give it a taste. Wonderful, nice and savory and tart. And that is an instant 5-ingredient salad dressing. Thanks very much for watching.